record on this computer.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone. So
It's
until
just
here,
speed.
until here we have covered basics of Python. We have learned about HTML for writing content, CSS for making it beautiful, and JavaScript for adding more control on our front end. So we have decided now to add Flask. Why is that? Because Flask is used to make a backend for holding your website. So we start with this thing. Very first thing we say from Flask module import Flask class. After that, we simply say app is equals to, and then we have to write Flask. Okay. And after that, we write there underscore underscore name. Okay. After that, we simply write there app.run. Okay. If you are not sure what is it, we can go to Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, we can search simple Flask app. We have a lot of support available for this. We click on this thing, and the simple Flask app you can find from any page. It's not mandatory you do it on it. So the detailed comments are here. So I can copy this, or we can continue whatever we are doing right now. So we go back there. Okay. So when I will do this, this should start running. But as you can see, there's not a play button. It means we don't have right now Python in our computer. Okay,
Hi
so
guys.
now I can. If you see like this one is not the play button, and if you also see like everything is perfectly working, then you can click on this run and debug, and then you run Python file. Okay, right now it is creating a server with only three lines. One, we are importing Flask, then we are creating this application, and then we are running this application. Okay, so let's see. We go to this address. What is there on this address? Noah, could you please help me in going there? Yeah, command and click. By holding the command button, you can just click.
Which click button?
Any click will work. Like for example, this. Okay, the it's saying like you requested the use URL, but it is not found. So we have not made this URL working. So that's why we will say like app dot route. On this page, I need this hello function, and it should show me hello world. So we will go there back, and now we will check it. So in here we write control close, and then we run it again. Go back to that function on the Google Chrome, and or we can open this one. Okay, or we can just do command and click. Okay, so if you see, this one is showing us hello world. Why? Because we asked it to show us hello world. Now we already have a very good file called part 10 HTML and part 11 CSS. Okay, so let's say this part 10 HTML is showing us this thing. So what we do to make it working, I make a copy of this and I create a new folder. Inside it, I write templates, and in my templates, I can paste that code like part and HTML. To link it with my Flask, I can write there I need something else, render template. And in here I can write render template, and then the name of my file is part 10.html. So Now when I will run it on the same page, okay, I close it and I run it. Okay, if I run it and then I go to this page, so it will show me this now because I have linked it with my,
You like it was pad 10.
yes. Okay, now what we do a little changing. In here, in the part 10, we say, like for example, hello everyone, it's, and then we write there, its name. So name can be any, it's a variable name. So it can be anything. What we do, we go back in here in the flask and we say, we define here name is equals to Noah. And then we can pass it, comma, name is equals to name. And here one more thing. I write there debug is equals to true. Why? Because every time I have to close it and run it. So with debug, I can keep on changing it and keep on running it. Noah will help us in splitting the screen. So we could have half screen for like for Google Chrome and half screen for visualizing the results. Now, could you please split the screen half for Safari and half for it's okay if you only split your screen half. Could you
Okay.
please do that for us so we could watch the results in real time? Oh, this is too big. I stop it to save our time. All right. So as you can see here, we have now this name written here. Let's say change Noah to Preply. So it will also change there. And I will refresh this page, refresh. So it will change Noah with the Preply. So I have this control here. For example, if I write there, for let's say Noah. So, and I will refresh it. So it will also change this website here. So I can change things real time. Okay, I think Noah's mic is mute.
Can I pick a name?
Yes, definitely. Okay, so this is possible only
Please.
with adding the HTML part.
Hmm?
It's okay. Actually, this one is closed, so we have to rerun it. Okay, now you can refresh because the server is crashed. So it should work, it should start working again when I refresh it. Oh, for some reason it's saying the Fire Dragon is not working. So okay, I close this again and then I open the new one from here. Okay. For some reason it is not showing us on screen. It's okay, no problem. We can manually open this. We copy this address, right clicking on it, copy, and then we go to any Google Chrome maybe. Okay, in the Google Chrome, we paste that link here, and then we can access it anywhere from any website. Okay, now we may minimize this one also. I think Noah can do this thing for us. Noah, could you please minimize it? It's a full screen.
Okay, I'm reverse.
Um, I think we can. We should have some buttons on the very top, very left side. At the very corner of this point. Yes, Noah, where you were last time. Please go on the very left, very top side. Yes, maximum. Yes, perfect. So we can move them here. Perfect. So we can refresh it now. It will work. So this is how we can pass value to this page. All right. So next part is Noah. Let's say I have a list of fruits and I want to see the list of fruits there. So like we can write there fruits equals to, and then I will write the apple, banana, cherry, and then we continue with the kiwi and stuff. So we have four fruits. Like we use them and we pass there ff is equals to fruits and comma. So I can use now this ff inside this. So I can write there, for example, first of a paragraph ff. So it will show me the list of fruits. Refreshing it. Okay, the access is denied, but no problem. I rerun it and refresh it. It's saying you have to 127.0.0 and then 5000. Okay, access is denied for some reason. It's okay, no problem. We try to access again. Okay, again, access is denied. No problem. It's saying access is denied because we are not writing correct name here, maybe. Okay, name is equals to name ff. Oh, we must write there ff. Okay, paragraph as ff. Okay, we run it again and refresh. Okay, for some reason it is not showing us this thing. It's okay. We write some space here and also some space here. If refresh again not work, then we remove this thing. Refresh again, it's not working. It means something is wrong with the 5000. Okay, so we can also turn on and off this one on the new address. Let's say I can write there, for example, comma, and port is equals to 8000 because my 5000 port is not properly working. So I can write there 8000 port. Okay, it's saying the site cannot be reached. This refused. It's okay, no problem. We can remove it fully. Can right click on it, run our debug, run Python file, and then refresh and enter. So it's back. Sometimes this can happen. You no need to worry about it. And then we just go here and add the thing we did first and refresh. So you see we have a list of fruits here. But what if I
And
want
that
to
and this is the end of our video. I don't know what you're talking. I feel like it's
Okay.
gonna be a video.
Definitely, definitely. What the very last thing? No, what if you allow me to do very last thing?
Okay.
Okay, we can do a very last thing as a loop. I can say for f in fruits, and we can say fruit, and I like eating, and then we refresh it. When we refresh it, it will like eating apple. I like eating this. This one will treat as a heading, although we can also change its color for all of it. So I can write there style is equals to background etiquette.
It's
So like
kind of something.
yes, you can also change the background. You can also change
I
the
don't.
background to red.
I don't like bananas. Them. I don't really like bananas.
Oh, okay. So what we can do, we can go to this flask and then we can remove it.
With pineapple.
Okay, Noah, would you please add that favorite fruits of yours?
Yeah.
Oh, this one very small typing mistake here, due to which our program will also stop working. It's not a very big thing. We can easily sort this out. This one.
Oh, that. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. And then we can run it, and then we refresh the page. So we will have an apple, pineapple, cherry, kiwi, so on. All right, we end this.
Hope
video
you guys.
and yeah, see you
I
in
hope
next
you
video.
know. Can it break 100 views?
Yes,
Bye.
please. Bye bye.